In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends to like your Facebook page just in few seconds. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your page home page like this, okay, to your Facebook home page like this. And what you will do, you will scroll down and you should see over here this 3 points over here, okay. Click on this option over here and you should see invite friends, okay. Click on invite friends like this and you will be directly in this page. And as you can see, you can select all your friends that you have on Facebook, and like this I can select all my friends and I can click over here on send invite, and this invite will be sent to all my Facebook friends. Or you can also select just specific friends that you want, okay. So that's how you can send invite to your friends to like your Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.